J. It's J to the A to the Y B A E. What up, guys? I'm back with another video. Subscribe, like, and comment. What up? So I'm back again with another video, and I'm here with, say your name. I'm here with her today. Here with her today. So today was a pretty. So guys, I'm not allowed to stand up because I have a crop top on, and I'm not gonna change it because this is night clothes. Ow. That hurts. Okay, but I just want to give a shout out to my big brother, James. I want to give a shout out to my big brother. I wanna get home, baby girl, baby girl. Okay, whatever. So, Coco, what are we gonna be doing today?
Huh?
What are we gonna be doing today?
I don't know. This is the channel.
Exactly. We're playing the I don't know game. So basically, this is how you play. Coco, are you listening? Because you never played this before. So I'm gonna say a country, and you are allowed to say I know, and you're not allowed to say I don't know. If you say, and you have to tell the truth.
Okay.
So you have to tell the truth. And like in the middle of it, so it's like Simon says. So like, say for instance, I say Hollywood. You're supposed to say if you know it, but you don't know it, then you can say I don't, yes, I know it. But if you don't know it, you're allowed to say don't or pass. So if I say a movie, you can't say anything. Okay? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. We're going to say our answers in 3, 2, 1. Rock. Coco?
Yes.
On 3, we're going to say our answers on rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, scissors.
Paper.
I win. Okay, so I'm going to go first. Let's see. And I have to say it in Spanish, so that makes it even harder. Mexico. Mexico.
Huh?
Mexico. Mexico.
No Mexico?
Close, close. Mexico. I'm saying it in Spanish.
Mexico.
Yes. You got it right.
I am a Mexican. My country is my last name is Papa.
Okay. Frieza. Frieza. I mean, no. It's your turn now. Blood. Wait, what? What did you just say? No. What you just say? I'm gonna go back on the camera and see what you just said. I'm gonna go back and see what you just said. Oh. Really, Coco? That's what you say? That's what you say on my channel? That's what you say on my channel? Yes, you did. What the? You just said it again. the phone close so they can hear. And I'm posting this video. Yes, you did. You said the P word. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. What did you No, 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 no. You did. Yes, you did. You just you said I like to say. Yes, you did. Okay. I'm gonna replay the video back. Okay. To see what you said. Wait, what? You just said it. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm about to replay and see what she said. That's what you say? That's what you said? Okay. Okay, Dex, your turn. I know, don't know. I don't know. Oh. Okay, I lost. So you got 1 point. Okay, this freeze on. Freezes. Freeze on.
It's a dinosaur that can freeze in 2.5 minutes.
No. No. Freeze on. Freeze on. You're not. What is it? You got my street though. I'm gonna be really. I can't find a towel, so I can use these towels of songs that I can't use. Oh, it's so wet. I don't like it. Okay, throw this in the dry cleaner. Oh, and I made it too. See, this is my airstrike crop top, but oh. My name is Mexico. I'm in Spanish and I'm like a being Venus. Everybody call me Venus cause I like to be a Venus. Well, she's not playing anymore. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna end this video right here. Okay, let me. Stop it. Okay. Well, I'm about to end this video down. Say bye to my channel. Say Say bye to my channel. Her name is Coco. Her nickname's Coco. So guys, she hanged out. Siri, call Coco.
Calling Coco.
Well, bye guys. I'm out for the day. I'm back with another. Bye guys. I'm out. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Show love and go follow my friend's account. Go follow my girlfriend's account. The large cupcake. Go follow her account. It's with a little emoji. Spoke the city. No, me too. I need this. I need to take this back up. I need to fix it. I'm scared. I don't really think so. Oh, I'm scared. That scared me so bad. It shattered. Look at that, it shattered. Where's the other one? This is now turning into ASMR wood channel.